Want to get a refund on Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, go to the billing section in your account. Click on Payment History from the menu panel. Select the payment details for the transaction you want to work on. This will take you to the Payment Details page. Before proceeding, make sure to check Hostinger's refund policy. Open the Hostinger refund policy page in a separate tab to review their standard refund terms. Keep in mind that purchases made with cryptocurrencies, tokens, or digital assets are non-refundable. Also, once you request a refund, it cannot be reversed, and all configurations will be permanently lost. If your purchase is eligible for a refund, you'll see the option on the Payment Details page. Otherwise, it will show non-refundable. If refundable, simply click on it to proceed. That's how you can get a refund on Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And if you need to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.